Have you seen these kinds of viral reels on social media before? Obviously you have. They're everywhere these days. I've actually created one of those myself. Look at this first, then I'll show you how it's done.
I love how peaceful the evening feels, just like this moment. It's the perfect end to a day.
Did you know this was generated using AI? And how clean and realistic it looks. A lot of people don't realize how easy this has become now. All of this is done in one place called Higgsfield. It's basically a hub for AI tools, so you don't have to jump between different websites or spend money here and there. Everything related to AI, image generation, and even video editing is available in one platform. In this video, we're going to explore it together. First, I'll generate the same character you saw earlier in the video. Then we'll convert that image into a video, along with audio. After that, I'll also show you a quick built-in editor, where you can add or remove effects and make small changes to the video. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is the interface of Higgsfield. Don't worry, everything here is pretty easy to understand. You don't need to write long or complicated prompts. When I tried it myself, it honestly felt like these AI tools already know what I'm looking for. When you hover over the video section, you'll see all the video-related tools and models. Most of these are top-tier models that AI influencers are already using. But the problem is, using different platforms for different creator tools gets expensive and messy. So honestly, Higgsfield feels like the one place you can rely on, whether it's video, images, or even audio along with video. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. When we click on the video option, the main AI video tool opens up. This is where you can create videos, edit them, or even replicate someone's movement and motion into your own video. Yeah. Now, first, we need a character. This part is optional, but I want to test it properly. Like, does it really maintain character consistency or not? So I clicked on the Generate It button. Once we're inside, from the model section, I'm choosing Nano Banana Pro, which is currently one of the latest and best AI models for image generation. But by the way, you can choose other models as well. All the top tier options are available here, like Kling 01, Seedream Z Image, Flux 2 Pro, and more. After that, actually, if you click on the image icon, you'll see that you can upload up to 14 images. These can be used as references or even merged together to create a better result. But since this is just a demo, I'll quickly paste my prompt here. Oh, and by the way, I'll also drop these prompts in the description in case you need them. Now, about the aspect ratio. Basically, you decide where this content is going. Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. All resolutions are available. Since we're working on reel type content, I'm going with the Android vertical one. Then resolution. You can generate images in 1K, 2K, and even full 4K. You can also choose how many images you want, up to 4 at a time. There's also a draw option, so if you can sketch, you can guide the AI even better during image generation. Honestly, I didn't expect the results to be this clean. I tried it once, and all the images looked solid. Then I tried again just to see if there would be issues with hands, eyes, or small details. But everything stayed consistent and accurate. Now here, I select the image and place it in the optional image field so we can actually work with it. Then comes the prompt. I've already written mine, so I'll just paste it here, but if you look right above that where it says General, this is where you get more control over the video. Otherwise, you can also choose from the ready-made templates available here. The model we're using for this is Kling 2.6, which is honestly one of the creator favorites right now. Look at the Enhance option under the prompt section. Make sure this is enabled. If you're someone like me who doesn't want to overthink prompt writing, this feature really helps refine your idea and gives better results based on what you're thinking. Below that, there's the audio section. You can enable this if you want background audio, which most of the time the AI picks really well based on the scene. If you want something specific, you can also mention your background music preference directly in the prompt. After that, just leave the model set to Kling 2.6. Choose your duration and aspect ratio, and then click Generate.
I love how peaceful the evening feels, just like this moment. It's the perfect end to a day. I love how peaceful the evening feels, just like this moment. It's the perfect end to a day.
The sound actually came out really good. The emotion, the movement, even the background noise if you listen closely. Let me download this and show you the built-in AI editor. Alright, so here we are. I'll add the video clip we just downloaded. Below that, you can upload PNGs or other images, and it automatically overlays and adjusts them inside the video. You can upload up to 4 elements and control them using prompts. I'm keeping it simple here. I just want to add a wind effect at the start of the video. And look at this now. Did you notice the air movement? Yeah, this is all happening inside the video itself. You can add or change elements directly in the scene thanks to the Kling model. Anyway, the final thing, and this is especially impressive for video creators, is motion control. Motion control lets you replicate another character's movement and style from a video and apply it to your own image. Since I already generated a few other images earlier, let's pick one of those. Now I'll use our main video to animate this new character, while keeping the same motion and audio sync. Once you pick the video as a reference and your model image, you can leave the rest as default, and click on Generate. We did make a small mistake here. We didn't add camera control, which is why the video ended up slightly mirrored. But even with that, the result is still really clean, without breaking the motion or introducing weird AI issues. Now, honestly, I'm getting more curious to explore this even further, so stick with me, because I'll guide you more deeply into Cinema Studio, where you can actually make full films using AI. A lot of users are already working with it, and you can check out their work directly. Cinema Studio is where you choose things like camera type, lens, focal length, aperture, camera angles, and much more. It gives you a lot more control over prompts and cinematic framing. I'll cover all of that in an upcoming video.
What will you do?
And finally, if you're genuinely looking for an AI platform that brings all creator tools into one place, this is honestly one of the best options right now. Go ahead and test it out. The link is mentioned in the description. This is Austin, signing off.